Hear this sound? That quiet buzz could be your home warning you. If you hear a humming or buzzing sound from your socket or circuit breaker, don't ignore it. It might seem harmless, but it often means loose wire, bad connection, or overloaded circuit. Yes, even in new homes. And yes, it can lead to spark or even fires. One client told me, it only buzzed when I turned on the heater. 2 weeks later, they smelled burning plastic. That sound was the only warning they got. Here is what to look out for. Does the buzzing getting louder when appliances are on? Is the panel warm or vibrating? Are lights flickering at the same time? If yes, turn off the circuit immediately. Don't wait till it's too late. I'm Dennis, your trusted neighborhood electrician. If your home making strange sound, DM me or WhatsApp me.